Is it going?
Yeah.
G'day, Chilli Joe here. Today I'm making a smoothie, chili smoothie. I've got 13 habaneros, 3 yellow argis, and 6 bird's eyes. So you place the chilies in there, you add a bit of water. Put the blender fin on. Take it over the NutriBullet. Now I'll take it over the table where there's a bit more light. Is it a bit better now?
Yeah.
Alright, we had a bit of troubles with the light and dark over there, so we've come over here and yeah, now it's time to indulge. Alrighty. Smells very nice. And yeah, Chilli Joe.
There's a lot of seeds at the bottom, Joe. Crunchy.
That was just the yellow argy at the end, it didn't get blended up, so I just finished it off. So, I've got a good burn going. Yeah, probably, it's building. Yeah, it feels nice. Probably about a 6 at the moment. So pretty good chili smoothie. Blends all that up pretty good. Gets lots of nutrients. Blends up the vitamin C and everything.
Oh, Joe.
And yeah, it builds. So yeah, it held my eyes.
Real bad.
My eyes are pretty bad.
Yeah.
Got a bit of hiccup starting.
The fumes off your breath, really bad too.
The fumes.
Yes. Stop it.
So you just got to stay calm during the chili burn and just savour it. My eyes are starting to tear a bit. I'm very proud of what I've achieved. I'm Chilli Joe. Thank you very much.